Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can connect or integrate Webflow with Printify. So basically guys, if you try to go to this page, which is basically Printify, or basically how to connect the actual two applications together by Webflow themselves, you'll find that the actual page will show you the 400 error, as you can see right here. So how can we really fix that, or basically have a solution for it? Where here in the community there is someone that asked the same question: can we actually link them both? Well, in order to do so, we have here our solution. So a custom setup will be needed no matter what. If you don't get what you need with Webflow e-commerce, you might consider your seamless Webflow integration. So first of all, what you will need to do is to actually have yourself a third-party application that will help you to do this integration. Because within the Webflow app, if we search for Printify, so here we go, you will not really find it. So what can we do to integrate them both is to use some third-party applications, as we have here the Analyzer. So this application will help you to actually connect Printify plus Webflow with no-code integration in simply few clicks. It's really good. It helps you connect with a secure connection, and it helps you integrate it, launch it, and simply it's very simple to use, as you can see right here. So all that is left for you to do is to click on integrate Printify with Webflow, and then you must create your own account in both platforms, which is something that you must do anyway. So make sure to create an account here and put your first name, last name, email, password, and then have your account here linked to Analyzer, and have also your Printify accounts ready to go. So once you create both of them, you're simply gonna go and follow their articles and basically do the integration the method and the way you want it. You will give them some privileges, of course, like reading and editing throughout your Webflow and Printify, but that doesn't matter. This company is safe and you are all good to go. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.